Okay guys, so today we're going to be making sausage gravy with 6 simple ingredients. Flour. I have 2% milk, but you can use 1% or whole milk. Salt, pepper, ground nutmeg, and pork sausage. You can use any brand that you choose. I got this from a grocery store called Aldi. Okay guys, so I have my assistant chef, aka my grandma. We're going to turn the stove on a medium-high heat. Okay, now we're going to open up our sausage. It's a knife right there, Grandma. You can cut the middle. All right, and we're just going to break the sausage up and just throw it in the pan. So just rip it up and drop it in the pan. Yep, perfect. Okay, so that's 1 full pack of sausage. We're going to get a plastic spoon and we are going to mix this up. And we can continue to kind of chop the meat with the plastic spoon. Okay, once the sausage is all in, I'm going to do exactly what she is doing. Just going to kind of chop through it. We're going to flip it over and just cook it until all the sausage is brown. Okay guys, now our meat is pretty much brown. It's okay if there are a few pieces of red meat because it is still going to be cooking. So now we're going to grab our flour. We're going to take a handful of flour because we want to cover that grease that's boiling up. So take a handful of flour, Grandma. Take a handful, yep. And we're going to sprinkle it on. Yeah, we want to pick up all that grease that we see bubbling in here. Okay, let's stop because we can always add. Stop. So we're going to stir it up and we're going to see how much grease. So we're going to need some more flour. As you can see, there's still some grease here. We want all that grease sopped up to give us a nice thick. So add a little bit more flour here. All right, that's enough. Now we're going to add in our milk. Yep. All right, you can stop. We're going to need more. So guys, there's really no measurement for the milk. It really depends on how thick you want your sausage gravy to be. So let's add some more milk, Grandma. I just kind of pour until we're just going to make it a mess, but we're just going to continue to stir. As you can see, it's super thick. So we're going to definitely add more milk. So let's get some more milk. Okay. So as you can see, it is still very, very thick. So we're going to add more milk as we mix it around and continue to stir. Okay, guys. All right, that should be good, Grandma. So we are gonna kind of let it sit for a little bit. Now is the perfect time to add in our salt and pepper. We're going to do just a tad bit of salt. And we're going to do some pepper. I'm going to mix it up. Alright, Grandma might have added a bit much pepper, but it's going to be okay. Nutmeg is very strong, guys. So we're going to add just a pinch of nutmeg. And this is really what gives your gravy all the flavor. That's good. Just a pinch. Alright guys, so we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. Let everything mix together. And wait for our gravy to start to thicken up. Okay guys, so it's been about a minute. As you can see, the gravy is starting to thicken up a little bit. So we're just going to continue to mix until you get the gravy as thick as you want it. And that's pretty much it, guys.